Hello guys, let's have a quick technical analysis on this EV maker located in Vietnam called the VinFast Auto. Ticker is VFS. Uh, it was first day trading in Nasdaq from yesterday through the spike. As you can see, the first day trading chart. This is the 1 minute chart, and there is a trading platform. Here is another one, and here is a smaller one. And this is the average line, 200 average line. So how to trade it today if you didn't jump in yesterday? Today, right now, before the market opening, is traded at 31, around 31. So just above this small trading platform. So as long as it's above this 200 average line, do not short it. But it's just started trading. Maybe it's hard for borrowing for shorting the stock. But anyway, around this trading platform, also around this 200 average line is good entry point for long the stock. If it's under this 200 average line, of course you can short it if you could borrow the stock for shorting it. But as long as but if you go rebound it to here, like here, but it didn't break the peak, then you could short it. So do the swing trading above the average line. But if it's below this average line, then only shorting it, not longing it. All right, that's the quick update.